Even nature obeys divine commands. February 21st. And the men marveled, saying, Who can this be, that even the winds and the sea obey him? Matthew 8:27. The Saviour was wearied from his long and arduous labors, and being now for a time relieved from the claims of the multitude, he stretched himself upon the hard plank of the fisherman's boat and fell asleep. Soon after, the weather, which had been calm and pleasant, changed. The clouds gathered darkly over the sky, and a furious storm, such as frequently visited those parts, burst upon the sea. The sun had set, and the blackness of night settled down upon the water. The angry waves dashed against the ship, threatening every moment to engulf it. First tossed upon the crest of a mountain billow, and then as suddenly plunged into the trough of the sea, the ship was the plaything of the storm. The strong and courageous fishermen knew not what to do in so terrible a gale. The waves break over them, and each one threatens them with destruction. Master, carest thou not that we perish? This despairing cry arouses Jesus from his refreshing sleep. In his divine majesty, he stands in the humble vessel of the fishermen, amid the raging of the tempest, the waves breaking over the bows, and the vivid lightning playing about his calm and fearless countenance. He lifts his hand so often employed in deeds of mercy, and says to the angry sea, Peace, be still. The storm ceases, the heaving billows sink to rest, the clouds roll away, and the stars shine forth. The boat sits motionless upon a quiet sea. Then, turning to his disciples, Jesus rebukes them, saying, Why are ye so fearful? How is it that ye have no faith? A sudden hush crept over the disciples. Not a word was spoken. Even impulsive Peter did not attempt to express the reverential awe that filled his heart. The boats that had been set out to accompany Jesus had been in the same peril with that of the disciples. Fear and finally despair had seized their occupants, but the command of Jesus brought quiet, where but a moment before all was tumult. All fear was allayed, for the danger was over. The fury of the storm had driven the boats into close proximity, and all on board beheld the miracle of Jesus. In the hush that followed the stilling of the tempest, they whispered among themselves, What manner of man is this, that even the wind and the sea obey him? Never was this impressive scene forgotten by those who witnessed it. The Spirit of Prophecy, 307 to 309. From To Be Like Jesus, page 60.